Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. I had people on my email asking me to do more videos on pre-approval credit cards for beginners. Maybe somebody's 18, don't know anything about credit. What credit cards should they be looking at the beginning? Or you're in the phase of rebuilding your credit, or you might just be coming out of a bankruptcy. Where can you go? See your limits, see your APR, and then at the time you can move forward if you want to accept the offer, right? So number one on the list is the Petal card. You know, I did a full breakdown of Petal card roughly about 3 years ago. You could go back on that video if you want the full breakdown, but you can do a pre-approval, and they are very friendly for people that have bankruptcy in the past. So if you're interested in that, this might be for you. You could go through and see all the breakdowns and stuff like that. They got a couple different credit cards. So, but let's click on to apply now right here. All right, and you can see right here, see which Petal card is right for you with no impact to your credit score. Again, you have a lot of people that want to go out there and they're curious and they want to see their pre-approval. They want to see if they can get pre-qualified, see what the limit is, see what their APR, see, you know, these is questions they want to know. So this is going to be one for you that you'll be able to do. And they got a couple cards, but this is they rebuild card that you could be able to get in there with no credit check and see that limit. Number two on the list is the Capital One Platinum card. Now this card is the first card I ever had in 2016. This year will mark 10 years of credit history with this card. Now it don't have great benefits, but I will never ever close it just because it got 10-year history, and it means a lot because it's the first card I have. Now if you're in the phase of rebuilding your credit, you're new in credit, this might be a great one that you can apply for, and you'll be able to see your pre-approval and see your limit and your APR and everything very easy and simple, and you can move forward. Again, the only thing with Capital One, when they do pull your credit, it's going to be all 3 credit bureaus. Now this card, you can have a little as a 500 credit score, they will approve you. This is why I got this on the list for any new beginners. This might be a card for you. See, just going to click right there, move forward. They will ask you a couple questions, and after that they'll be able to give you a pre-qualification. Now to get in the door, and almost guaranteed to get in the door, you want to hit building credit and then new card members and then hit next. You don't want to hit no annual fees, cashback, travel rewards, because that might lower your risk of getting approval, right? But let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is the Discover It card. Now I always have to say this is kind of like the Capital One, but a little higher, I will have to say, on the scale. Now you'll be able to get in the door, and you can see this as you see. You can see your pre-approval with no harm to your credit score. And if they still can't approve you for their regular card, they could still get you into a secure card. Now, you might be hard on the secure card, but little you know, you could increase that limit. So let's say on the Capital One, let's say with this card, you get approved, right? And they give you a $200 limit, $300 limit, $500 limit, right? Guess what you could do? You could go back within 30 days of your approval, and let's say you got some cash sitting around, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000. You could take that cash, deposit it right on this card, and that will increase your credit limit. It will only help you. It's not going to hurt you. So that's a little hack that you need to know with Capital One. So even if they give you 200, 300, if you got some extra cash, go ahead, throw it on there. Increase that credit score. Come on, these is all hacks that you should be doing. So with Discover, again, they could get you in the door. If they can't approve you for a regular card, they will get you in for a secure card. And I seen a little as a 540 get approved for this credit card, right? So now, last on the list, now Open Sky. Is this the best card? No, but I will have to say for beginners, if you want to get in the door, you're looking for a card to report to all 3 credit bureaus, you could get in the door, right? So let's just say this plus secured card, right, with a deposit of $300. Let's scroll right down here to learn more. You're going to go to learn more, right? And as you see, plus secure card, $300 minimum deposit, no annual fees, right? Simple and easy. And look, $300 spend, $500 to spend. Your deposit is your credit line. This is very easy. So again, if you only get approved for the $300 that you're depositing, you actually can add the extra $200 and get a $500 limit. We have to learn these different hacks. Now, do it have these other cards have annual fees? Yes, I'm not showing you that. I'm showing you the one with no annual fees. You might be desperate. You might just been coming out of bankruptcy. You need something to start reporting on your credit report. This might be the one for you. So let's go through this real quick again. The Petal one can get you in there. The Capital one, you can have a low credit score, can get you in there. The Discover It, even if they don't approve you, they will approve you for that secure card. Take advantage of this to get in the door. Once you in the door with one of these companies, sky's the limit after that, right? And last on the list is the Open Sky. Again, probably my least favorite out of all of them, but for beginners, if you want to get in there, you want to start increasing that credit score, you want your credit profile to start looking good, this is at least an option that you can consider. So again, people, if you're in the phase of rebuilding your credit, beginners, bankruptcy, all these cards might be something that you want to look at and look into. And again, if you want to fix your credit, you could go right over to my website at whoiskingshawn.com. Lock in, download your free ebook, your credit repair letters, collection, charge-offs, late, everything you need is in there. If you want to start building your business credit, that ebook as well will be there. You can start scaling your business credit. I got different primary accounts you can add on there, different trade lines, steps you need to do to make sure that business credit is looking good. So when you're going out there to go get these business credit cards, these business lines of credit, these commercial loans, whatever you are trying to do is on the website and the ebook. So it should be no excuses at all. Again, all four of these cards is going to be for beginners, bankruptcies, and people that's rebuilding their phase. Again, it's up to you. You got to change your mindset if you want. This is 2026. It should be no excuse that people are running around with 500, 550 credit score. Everybody should have a 700 credit score. Nothing less. Is no excuses. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.